So I have FIFA 23 on the PS5, and today I'll be showing you how to update squads in FIFA 23. So the first thing you need to do is obviously make sure the console is connected to internet. And then in FIFA 23, from the home screen, go to Customize, select that. And then under Customize, go to Edit Teams, select that. And then under Edit Teams, scroll to Download Updates, and then select that. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to download the latest update. Select yes, and it's going to check and install the latest squad updates. And once you're done, it's going to exit, and that's it. So now you'll have the latest update with the latest transfers and latest kits and all that stuff in FIFA 23. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.